Hi, and welcome to the Insight District. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel to see further videos on how to with Ford Ranger and other vehicles. So today I'm going to show you the wiper controls and what their functions are. So there's two types of wiper controls, one with auto rain sensing and one without. First function is if you press down on the wiper arm, it will make the wipers move once. If you pull in towards the steering wheel, the water jets work and the wipers work. The first notch up puts it into automatic setting if it's a auto rain sensing model. If not, it will put it into the intermittent setting. If it's an intermittent version, you can use this scroll wheel to choose how frequent the wipers move. If it's an auto rain sensing one, you've put it up high for high sensitivity or down low for low sensitivity. Your next motion is a slow movement, and your next motion past that is a high speed motion. I leave mine on the auto setting on about mid-range. The full range goes all the way up and can go pretty low down. The reason why my wipers are working at the moment, because I'm scrolling through the high range and the low range, and there's still a little bit of moisture on the screen from where I sprayed the jets. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try and reply. Remember, if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.